In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Pipedrive and LinkedIn using Surfe. This simple process will enhance your CRM tasks by connecting your LinkedIn contacts more directly with your Pipedrive account. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, we're going to save time by starting at the Surfe website. You want to head over to Surfe and click on the Start for Free button. This step is crucial because it sets up the foundation for connecting these platforms together. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to continue the setup through Google. Click on Continue to Google and follow the instructions on screen to connect your Google account. Next, open up your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Surfe, and once you find the extension, go ahead and click Add to Chrome. Adding the extension to your browser is an important step, as it enables the Surfe functionalities that will integrate with your LinkedIn account. If you're not familiar with adding extensions, don't worry. Just follow the simple Chrome instructions, and in a moment, the Surfe icon will appear in your browser. Now it's time to jump over to your LinkedIn account. Keep it open in one tab, and find the Surfe extension icon that should now be visible at the top of your browser. Click on the Surfe extension, and you'll see a list of options. You're going to select Pipedrive from this list. By doing this, you're specifically telling Surfe that you want to link LinkedIn with your Pipedrive CRM. You'll need to give permission for Surfe to access Pipedrive, so go ahead and click on Allow and Install. This is a straightforward prompt, but it's a critical step in ensuring that Surfe can facilitate a smooth connection between your LinkedIn and Pipedrive accounts. Navigating back to your LinkedIn, you're now ready to add connections directly to your CRM. Still within the Surfe extension, find the option labeled Add to CRM and select Add as Contact. With this, you're efficiently exporting contacts from LinkedIn into your Pipedrive database, making sure you have all the necessary info where you need it. Finally, let's talk about one last cool feature, the Magic Finder. You'll notice this option appear next to email fields. Clicking on Magic Finder will help you locate additional contact information effortlessly, which is perfect for those hard-to-find email addresses. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've not only linked Pipedrive with LinkedIn, but also empowered your CRM with extra functionality using Surfe. Remember, this integration will greatly enhance how you manage your contacts, track business relationships, and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.